Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today we are out in the camper. We've got Bruno along with us. We just had a lovely breakfast roll here in Newbridge in Maxall. Getter's done a food review, so I will link the video down below if you want to see it. It was so yum. I don't usually order breakfast rolls, but this was delicious. We shared it because it's a lot of calories and we're going on holiday soon. So we want to be in good shape. Yesterday there was Storm Amy, so the weather's not that great. It's kind of like a little bit windy now after, and it's starting to clear up a bit. I think it's going to clear up for the day later on. So we're gonna go watch the airplanes, I'd say, in the van, which will be cool because we're higher than the car, and hopefully go for a nice walk somewhere. I don't know if we'll go by the sea because it is a bit windy, but we'll see what the weather turns out like, and we will bring you along with us. Thank you for tuning into this video as well. Hope you're enjoying these vlogs. These are our little campervan diaries. There's not much we can really do in the weather now that it's gotten bad, but hopefully we'll do a few more little adventures in the camper. But we are going on holidays to Lanzarote soon, so I'll be doing a vlog for that. Say hey to the vlog.
Hello!
You woke Bruno up with your talking. We are driving and our window wipers are non-existent in the van. Yay! It looks way worse than the video is showing. Can't really see much.
In 600 metres, at junction 4, use the left lane to take the R108 exit to Moore.
Not good, but we are nearly there.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Bruno loves getting minding the van, and we are back. Woo! What you saying? The line, the queue. That is so cool. Got the goods. The goods are acquired. Oh. This is so cool that you can film.
Yeah, it's so handy, like.
Savage. Get all your fresh produce. She's windy. The views are so much better here. There's a plane just coming. Oh, he took off pretty quick. Yeah.
Ah, you fucking doggy bollocks.
God bless you,
Ah, that song got me big time. Come on now.
Come on now. They didn't come over to give out to you. Oh, there's nothing like a nice, good tea bag in a good cup of tea. It just warms your heart, warms inside your body.
Which one do you want? This one has more berries, this is bigger in size.
Which do you
Any one you want. Not that one. Any one you want. Not that one. Any one you want.
No, you cheeky. Would you like the berries? Excuse me.
Excuse me! Bruno! But there's another one here, take a bite.
But I have my own cookie. You should do that video. You're not talking at the dog. Oh yeah, there is no.
Wow.
That was a cool one. What?
It's fair shaky.
Is it?
Oh Jesus.
We are on the side to watch the planes land. There's one coming in. It's far, far away.
She's coming.
Is she coming? Oh wow.
Fucking Ellie's coming in hot.
Oh, sideways a little. How beautiful is the weather now? Yeah, it's still like sunny, partly cloudy. We are off on our way to Howth. Get just wanted to go home, but I make him go Howth.
I didn't want to go home.
You didn't?
No, I said we'd go Cur or Emo.
Oh. So that's home basically. Bruno living his best life, being able to do this because he's not allowed to do it in the market.
Yeah.
Attempt number 2 for our walk. It started raining when we tried to walk the other side. And now sunshine is here. He's more concerned about the other doggies. Smell of fish. That must be all on the boats and the fish containers here. The seagulls all surrounding. Jesus, it's so windy.
It is, yeah.
We got food there before. We got crab burgers. It was interesting to say the least.
Crab, not crab.
I said crab. And there's a little market there. We got honey there before. It was lovely. And then we're going down this way to have a look. And there's kind of like bars and shops here as well. It's a lovely spot and you don't have to pay for parking.
Not around here, I don't think.
No, parking is free, but it's just, can you get a parking spot?
At your own risk.
Yeah. You usually do get a parking spot.
Yeah.
You just have to wait around depending on how busy it is.
You just have to wait.
You just have to wait around. Okay, when there's people standing here, you know there's a seal.
No, there isn't.
Oh,
thought there was,
jeez,
yeah.
I nearly tripped there. Oh, that's disappointing.
Yeah.
He was here last time. I might see him further down. Some more bars, little outdoor seating. These look like old historic buildings. That looks like an old church there. Why will he get electrocuted?
You never know.
Huh?
Bit of a drop.
Just all the boats are like cool. Look at those wheels,
Yeah.
the fish nets.
Yeah. They will have put the ropes that's in there or something, holding them back in then after.
Yeah. Yeah, that looks like an old church or something.
Yeah. New windows in it.
Kish fish.
Quiche fish. Renovated
Kish
the
the
restaurant.
fish.
Look, don't feed the seals.
Oh.
Sign.
Why can't you do this? They don't want them around, maybe trying to
Probably
rob
not.
theirs. They probably sneak onto the boats. So I don't know if you would have seen my last video, but we're like on the opposite side at Dun and Bait, looking at that. Yeah, it's It's from the wind. So beautiful now. The calm after the storm. Jeez, I'm holding on dear life to the camera. Blow out my hand.
That's a cool little place.
Yeah, nice spot.
Huh?
Nice spot. We parked probably like over there and walked down around here. And usually what we would do is we'd walk out that way and go all the way out to that lighthouse. There.
Yeah, we actually, right.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and a comment down below if you enjoyed it. Till next one.